Plumbers, don't rely on others to do your leak detections. Keep the leak detections in-house and make big money on both the leak detections and repairs. At LeakTronics, not only do we build the equipment, but we provide an incredible training program that will take you through every aspect, commercial, residential, big land properties, whatever it might be. We teach you how to do all these leak detections and keep it in-house so that, again, you can convert those leak detections into big money repairs. At LeakTronics, our technical support is like no other in the industry. You're out on a leak detection, you're having a problem, whether it's with our equipment or without, we're going to help you and we're going to walk you through it. Not only do we provide the technical support, but we provide an app which is a complete checklist of the leak detection that you're performing. Once you're done, all your paperwork is done. You can take photos of what it is and provides a complete customized report for your customer. We know what it's like to be down without equipment and have leak detections to do. Therefore, you send it to us, we will get it turned around the same day we get it and get it right back out to you. For more information, go on our website, set up a one-on-one call with us, give us a shout, check out our YouTube channel. We're all over the place.